Welcome back, students. Today, we are conducting this lecture on OBS platform, and this lecture is of social media. Okay, as we all are suffering from this corona pandemic, it is essential to use this platform for better communication, and that's why we are actually implementing it. Okay, so social media cannot be taught without using a social media platform as such, and that's why we are using it. So as you can see on the screen, social media, it is written by Dr. Sujata Chakravarti, is an associate professor and head department of English, Dayanand Arya Kanya Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. She is a poet and the editor of Literary Voices and an annual peer-reviewed journal of language, and has authored 4 books. Okay, so this is all about the author. Now we'll focus on what we are looking in social media. As you all know that social media is considered to be a double-edged sword. Okay, why we call it as a double-edged sword? Because it has lot of advantages as well as disadvantages. So it is up to you. When you use it, you can take the maximum output, or you can destroy your life as well. So when you, for example, when the essential any aspect is there, no, for example, when you can use it, utilize it, it has advantages and disadvantages. It's up to you how you are using it. Okay, so now this text, particularly social media, explores its various aspects. It reflects on the effectiveness of this important means of communication. So it is a part of, it should be our part of communication, because this is essential. And during a lockdown, one cannot go and cannot have one-to-one conversation. Now we are using this platform. It is also a platform of social media. As you are getting all the YouTube lectures, this is also a part of social media. So you all are aware about this, and you all know the importance of this platform. Okay, so that's all we are looking in this particular text. It reflects on the effectiveness of this important means of communication, from seeking information on almost any topic to distance learning, which has taken on a newer facet with live lectures and virtual classrooms. Okay, so due to this platform, now our learning is not interrupted, and we are using it, and you are getting all the YouTube lectures at your doorstep. Why this is possible? Just because we have this social media platform, we have this YouTube platform. Okay, so the virtual classroom has become an indispensable part of our education system now. Okay, the text also considers the use of social media to the point where it becomes an obsession, especially amongst the youth. And that's why, as I said, that it is considered as double-edged sword. Okay, so it can be used for good purpose, and it can be used for destructive purpose as well. Okay, so it has limitations, and as well as it has advantages as well. It is up to you how you are using it. Okay, if you are obsessed with this social media platform as such, you can destroy your life. There cannot be any output as such. Okay, so it is up to you how you are using it. So this we are looking into, and as you are using all these social media platform, so you all must be aware about this all platform as such. Now today we'll look out all these different platforms in detail. Okay, so now this first platform we have, that is Facebook. As you all are aware about the Facebook, Facebook is particularly is an American online social media and social networking service based in Menlo Park, California, and a flagship service of namesake company Facebook Inc. So it was founded in February 2004, and by that time, now you all know that it has become an indispensable part of our life. If we remove Facebook from our life, one can be very depressed, because we are using it, and we have it has become an indispensable part as well. Okay, so it was founded in February 2004, and merely by this duration, it has become a very popular platform as amongst youth and in every citizen as well. So it has been like by Mark Zuckerberg. It has been founded along with fellow Harvard college students and roommates. So what are the advantages of this Facebook? As you all aware about this fact that the user can post their thoughts and messages by the way of write-ups, pictures, videos, etc. So you can put up your status, you can put up your write-ups here, you can share your thoughts. As you can see that I have taken this screenshot of mine. Okay, this is my Facebook account, where you can see that there are the corners where home page is there, and in that home page, if you click on that home page, there will you will be getting different posts of your friends. Okay, so the friends that are added to your friend list, all the post of all the posts that is shared by them will be appeared through that corner. Okay, so we have home, as you can see in the picture here. The particularly the home is like this. Okay, so this is home. The second one is that videos. So you will be getting different types of videos by professionals. Okay, even comedy videos like Kapil Sharma, anything. Okay, so it can be used for just to get a lot of information. Okay, or it can be used for just for entertainment purpose, and sometimes it can be used for destructive purpose as well, where you must have read news, different news, where somebody has put up that post. Okay, and which has created a lot of destruction among the society. So during those days, 3 4 days, the Facebook was banned completely. There was like a religious post. So if you are putting that post, so even if you are using it, or even if you are not using it, but you should know this is the part of light, and one should understand that if you write up such type of post, it will be very problematic for your future as well. Okay, so you should be aware of these things. Okay, so even if you are not using it, you should read it, and you should understand it, because if you are unaware about this platform, and if you put up like this religious post, it will be very harmful for your life as well. Okay, so these are the friends list. So those who are in your contacts, those friends should be added by you, because if you are taking anybody like a random person, okay, so they can misuse your profile picture, and anything can happen. Okay, so you should be aware about this friend list as well, because nowadays what we are doing is actually we are adding lots of friends. Okay, so if they are not from your contacts, they can misuse your profile picture, and also if they will put up some religious topics or something bad about the society, then if you are in friend list, and if you are commenting anything, you will have to face lot of difficulties. Okay, so you are a law abiding citizens, so law is strictly followed by you. And even if you are not if even if you are thinking that if I will put up something, okay, and I will be rescued from the law, so this is not applicable for all of you. Okay, so you should know it, and you should know what are the consequences of it as well. Okay, so these are the like groups. Okay, these are the notifications. So if you are adding new friends, you will be getting notification here. Okay, so these are the groups here: COVID-19 information center, these friends, these groups. Okay, this marketplace as well, because through Facebook nowadays, this is also that you can attract your startup. Okay, so the business can be done with these multimedia platform as such. Okay, so social media platform is useful to run your business. So here you can see that memories. Here also you can start up your pages about knowledge, anything. Okay, and the events which is coming and or which is near to you, that events can be shown here. Okay, so these are the different means of communication where you can be updated yourself. Okay, so if you are added to any groups that is related with the educational field, so you will be getting all the post from this. Okay, and you can use it for your better life. Okay, so this is something very essential about Facebook. Then we'll see that how can one add or write up the post in Facebook. So here you can see, as you can see that this is my friend Natki Nandakumar has posted a Nobel Prize award in physics. Okay, so where you can see that he has liked one page which is related to educational field, and he has put up this post. Okay, where all the friends can access to this post. Okay, and when you have access to this post, you can also get updated yourself. Okay, easily. So with a right click you can get all the information. So this you can understand the depth of this information. Okay, and you can also understand that even if you are not going there, even if you are sitting at your home, you can be updated with these social media platform as such. So here what you can see, this is the post where he says that when I draw a molecule in China or in Argentina, it is the same molecule. People understand immediately without knowing Spanish or Chinese. That is beautiful. Our common goal is not about power or borders of the country. It is about bringing forward human knowledge. Okay, so this is something very important. Educational post is there. Okay, so as I mentioned that it is a double-edged sword. It's up to you how you are using it. It can be constructive, it can be destructive, it can be advantageous for you, or it can be disadvantageous for you. So this is up to you that how you are using it. Okay, so when you are using this platform, use it for better purpose. Take knowledge maximum. Join groups, those who are working in educational field. Okay, join some current affairs group, so that will be very useful. So you will get all the information, and you will be in touch as well in the society. So all of the above can also be brought up together in creation of a post on social medium. Okay, so user can also like, comment, and share other user post as well. So for example, if I like this post, I can also share with my friend as well. So all are aware about this Facebook platform. Okay, but I am just focusing on that how it can be used. Okay, and how it can be a, a integral part of communication. Okay, so you as a communication, no, you cannot be remove this social media platform. So even if you are not using, or even if you are using, but you should know what are the consequences. Okay, and because you are a law abiding citizen, and rules is above all. Okay, and if you are not aware of about the Facebook, okay, and if you suddenly access to somebody's account, and if you liked or comments any religious post where you have commented something bad, then there can be that you might be caught into trouble. Okay, and there can be that you may have to face any difficulties. So this is something, that's why we are focusing on. Okay, so the like comment is also very essential part. You should be very careful while commenting on. Okay, because that comment will be seen by all the friends, okay. And if it is bad, then there can be a bad consequences as well. The accessibility to other posts is dependent on the privacy setting of those users, so on which for example, which can be set roughly between public and friends. So if you want to share within the friends only, so you can have that setting. And if you want to if you want to allow to access all the public, then you should be very conscious, okay, while putting any post. So you can also friends accept is there, specific friends and only me. For example, if you want to dedicate some post to your close one, so there is a option is like this, that specific friends you can mention, and then you can share that post. So particular post often determine the impact that particular post has had on people, okay. So for example, if you have put up any post, and if that post has got so many likes and so many comments, that means that post was very popular, okay. So whatever you have written is appreciated by your friends and is accepted by your friends, or that popularity determines the number of likes and the number of posts. And sometimes it also depends that the popularity of the topic being discussed as also be the person putting up the post, okay. So it also depends that the for example, if the topic is good, then also the popularity is can be huge, okay. And if the person is famous, for example, you must have seen that, for example, the celebrities, okay. So they even if they put up any write-ups, no, like a small any comments, so they will be getting huge likes. Why? Because the person who is putting the post is very famous as such, okay. So as you all are aware about, and as you can see, this is the post, okay. This is mine Facebook account, and you can also create it. Then now we'll see a next slide, and this is of WhatsApp, okay. As you all are using it and you are getting all the YouTube lectures through WhatsApp, we have created different groups here, like our IQSC coordinator, sir, respected Parikshit Agrawal sir is sending you all the details, okay. You are getting all the information, okay. They are for example, why they are giving it all the information at your doorstep. Due to lockdown, the physical classes are not being conducted, and that's why it has become an indispensable part right now. And this is our new syllabus, so it was obligatory for them to add this social media platform, because it is a need of need of an hour, because this is something need of hour, because this is something is like a very essential tool now, because everything you are getting through WhatsApp, okay. So WhatsApp, uh, you all are aware about the WhatsApp. So WhatsApp Messenger, or simply WhatsApp, is an American freeware cross-platform messaging and voice over service owned by Facebook Inc. It allows users to send text messages and voice messages, make voice calls as well, and video calls, and share messages. Then you can also share documents, users locations, and other media as well. So through WhatsApp you have a multiple accessibility as such. You can share your videos, you can call to your relatives, you through video chatting, through WhatsApp video chatting is possible, okay. So there are multiple usage of WhatsApp, and it has become an indispensable part, it has become an integral part of our life. You cannot imagine life without WhatsApp, okay. So these are the like a these are the powerful way that you can use this medium to communicate in a better way, okay, and in a quick. For example, at the right click you are getting everything. Okay, so for example, during those days, no, when we were not having such type of platforms, it was very inconvenient for people to maintain their relationship, because it was that there was like, if you want to communicate through letters, they were communicating. But now through this platform, in a single day you can be surrounded with, virtually surrounded with all the relatives as such. Okay, you can be contacting with them, and you can be sharing all the details with them. Okay, so these are the um, usage. Okay, then the founders of this WhatsApp group were Brian Action and Coom, and in January 2009 they have uh, established it. Okay, though chats on WhatsApp can be on a regular one-to-one basis, or as a member of group of a maximum 250 persons. Okay, so as this GS College of Commerce BCCA group is there. Okay, where 250 persons are required. Okay, that is the limitation of that group, and in that group you are getting all the information. Okay, so this is the platform of communication. Okay, so even if you are not here, we are conducting a class through this social media platform. Okay, so you are getting all the updates. Now this lecture, after this after I will record this, no, the IQSC coordinator, respected Parikshit Agrawal sir, will be putting this up for you. Okay, so even if you are not here, you will be getting all the materials at your doorstep. So this is the benefit. Okay, so you can imagine, no, you can imagine. So without having a physical class, if you are getting all at your doorsteps, you can imagine the intensity of usage. Okay, so how these platform has become a very important part of your life. Okay, so you cannot avoid it, and you cannot remove it right now. So see, we have seen this BCCA group, GSCC BCCA semester 1, where Parikshit Agrawal sir has put up the message link for life skill and interdisciplinary research registration. Okay, and here life skill and interdisciplinary, that the brochure has been sent to you through WhatsApp. Okay, so how it can be possible? Just because we are using it, it has become an indispensable part, and now through this you are getting all the information at your doorstep. Okay, so any post within a group is visible only to the members of the group unless shared to others. So this post is visible to only the members of the group. Okay, and WhatsApp now also has feature called status. You to all are putting your status. Okay, and status, through status you can see your popularity among your friends. Okay, how many are, and WhatsApp is like something like, this is like a, it has two meaning. No, WhatsApp is like application, and we saw, no, WhatsApp guys, what's going on. Okay, so what is your status, current status? Yani through status you can update your status. Okay, so what am I doing right now? Okay, so your your well wisher get your well wisher gets it. Okay, so that is something that can be shown through status, which allows users have mutually saved contacts to see each other's, then multimedia updates whenever shared. Okay, again again a very important information. See, as we are discussing it, you should not underestimate this topic as well, because you will be getting questions on this only platform in your examination. Okay, so this is a scoring part, I would say. Okay, those who cannot perform good in English. Okay, and but those who want to pass in examination, so these are the scoring subject for you, because whatever we are discussing right now, even though you are using it, even though you are all aware about it, but this has been prescribed by university, okay? So you will be getting questions on this, okay? So you should not underestimate this, okay? You should read it, and even if you know it, just make one reading, okay? So that you will get maximum marks if there are questions on this particular topic, okay? And this, so business can also be operated on WhatsApp, which allows creation of catalog to display one's product and services. So nowadays, business can be done through WhatsApp. There are so many businesses that are running through this platform, okay, where you can create a group, you can share to multiple groups, okay, and you can capture the attention of your target group through, so the business can be done. It also connects with one's customer easily by using tools to automate, sort, and quickly respond to messages, okay. So there can be quickly messages, okay, there can be a quick response to your product. So one can also WhatsApp through a computer with the help of WhatsApp web, as you can see that right now even the WhatsApp can be used on PC as well, okay. So accessible through web browser, so you can create a link, that link can be shared, okay. Such as that we are conducting different webinars, okay, so we are creating Google Forms, okay, and that link will be shared through WhatsApp platform, okay. So this is something that you have seen it and you have understood it now, okay. So these are the different usage of WhatsApp, okay. Then we have another social media platform, that is Instagram, okay. So as this platform is very popular among youth, okay, this is mine Instagram account. As you see that here, no, what you can see, that you can put up your photos, you can post your videos. And what is the difference between Facebook and Instagram is that Instagram, it is like generally this is popular among friend, okay, and where you get different features, okay, which is far more better than Facebook, okay. Because you can this particular app, Instagram, has been set up to present your photos, okay. So there are so many settings that you can highlight your photos, okay, your videos. So as you can see that my 28 posts are there on Instagram, then followers 226 followers are there. I am following 486. So you can here you can also follow all the celebrities, okay, all your ideal persons. So their post, once they post any post, no, you will be getting all the notifications. So these are the usage of Instagram, okay. And you can also share your videos on Instagram. So Instagram is an American photo and video sharing social networking service owned by Facebook Inc. It was created by Kevin System and Mike Krieger and launched in October 2010. And the app allows users to upload photos, videos which can be edited with filters. So there is a facility of filters, okay, so that can be edited. So through filters you are getting like a advanced technology, okay, all advanced technology of filtering your photographs, so that you also look like a celebrity, okay. With tag and location information, you can also share your location information there as well, okay. So you must be using it. I hope those who are not using it, you can use it, because nowadays this platform is very essential, okay. And as I said that you have to cautious what to use and what to not use. Because see, now if in next slide you can see the benefits of using in Instagram. See, I have followed one professional account, Original English, where you can improve your English as well. So you, as you can see, that British versus American. Okay, so these are the different words, and what are the different words for in British and American. You can see that bonnet, hood. Okay, so in American we say hood, in British we say bonnet. Then pants, then underpants we say in American, then flannel, washcloth. Okay, so you can you can access to such type of accounts. Okay, these are the professional accounts where you can be like you can be connected with all world. Okay, so this is international account as such, but as I followed them and they have accessed me, so now I can access to their accounts anytime. Okay, so these are the benefits of social media. Okay, so as if I would have a different person, if I would have followed a different account as such, for example, any destructive person's account, so it will be harmful for you. But if you are using it for a productive work, okay, so there is like you will get knowledge, at the same time entertainment as well, because through this platform whatever you are getting, no, it's like playway method. Okay, because even though I am studying it, but it won't look like that I am studying completely, because it is something that that you in a minute you can go to another post. Okay, where you will get your friends as well. So through this instant time you can get maximum information and knowledge as well. So the major difference between Instagram and other social media platform is that post have to necessarily have a photograph or video. Okay, so the post have should have photograph or video. Any written matter can be a part of the photo, video containing post. Okay, the post can be viewed by friends only. That can you can make arrangements. Okay, there are setting. Okay, and so you can say the private post, or you can also add everyone, that is public post. Okay, so if you want to make it public you can do it, and if you want to make it private it can be on your account as well. You can make it private or public. Okay, so if you are making it private, for example, if you are getting any friend request, no, so it's up to you whether you are accepting it or not. If you want to make it public, then it's like anybody can access to your account. Okay, once they want to follow you, it will be automatically added by you. Okay, so you can make it private, because you should not be make yourself in public, because there are people that can make it as a, so they can misuse it. And as I mentioned that nowadays cyber crime has become very important. Okay, the cyber crime now nowadays like during those days the crime was different, and nowadays the crime was different. You must be getting the news that this scheme, this fraud has happened. Okay, through phone pay, because nowadays no these multimedia social media they are become a very important part of our life, and that's why the criminals know they are attacking this, they are accessing your accounts as such. Okay, but you should be careful. Okay, so you should take all the information in a right way. Okay, and once you are sure that now I got all the details of using it, then only you should make your account. Okay, otherwise it will be very troublesome for you. Okay, so this is something you should understand while using this social media platform. Now we have Twitter. Okay, and Twitter has very important value, that here you can um you can see that it has become very popular nowadays. Okay, so as you have seen that all the celebrities, they are tweeting. Okay, so their tweets you can see. Okay, even the Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Narendra Modi, so these big buddies are using like this. Okay, so Twitter is an American microblogging and social networking service on which users post and interact with the messages known as tweets. So here, no, the difference between Facebook, Instagram, and the Twitter is that here whatever you will put up, no, it is considered as tweets. Okay, and the tweets are like something in post you see lots of content, but in tweets it is a shorter and shorter but sweets. Okay, so the brief, no, when we talk about communication, the communications essential aspect is that it should be brief. Okay, so more brief, more you can convince the people. Okay, as you see that if the length is too much, no, the audience won't be attracted towards that. So tweets, why it has become very essential part, because it has a very short message to convey. Okay, so registered user can post and interact, like and retweets tweets. Okay, so if you like the tweets, you can retweet it. But unregistered users can only read them. Okay, so even if you are not registered yourself on Twitter, you can read the tweets as such. So as we can see that the tweet here, Narendra Modi has tweeted. Okay, with the most events being held virtually, it has given a great opportunity for youngsters to be a part of many interesting domestic and global forums. One such opportunity to coming up in the forum that Prarambh. Okay, so as our Prime Minister is initiating the campaign Digital India, okay, and he has deliberately using these platforms to make you aware that you should use it. Okay, so as you can see the Narendra Modi sir's account, where you will be getting all the status. Okay, all the tweets. Okay, so this is something that he wants us to use it. Okay, so tweets were originally restricted to 140 characters, but were double in 240 for non-Asian languages. So you can see the brief tweets are there. Okay, so 140 characters should be there. For non-Asian languages it can be extended to 240. Okay, so through this platform you can convince people, you can make your influence through tweets. Okay, and it has been created by Twitter Inc. is based in San Francisco, California, and was founded in March, okay, 2016 by Jack Dorsey and others. So this you can see that the following the, this you can see that these are the different people to whom I have followed: the Amitabh Bachchan, Narendra Modi, Dr. Vishwajit Kadam. Here you can see Bachchu Kadu. Okay, so these are the some of them are political. One is celebrity, one is my friend. Okay, so through this you are getting all the tweets that has been tweeted by them. Okay, so you will get yourself updated. Okay, so with a right click you will update yourself. This is the power of social media. Okay, so one should not remain deprived of this part of communication. Now as you can see this Narendra Modi. Okay, and here also you will get a notification that to whom you can follow. Okay, these are the different peoples you can follow: Union Bank of India, Virendra Sehwag. Okay, so once you get these type of recommendation, you can follow them, and whatever they are putting their rights up, that is known as tweets, you will be getting it. Okay, then we have last but one part. Okay, last but one part, that is a Snapchat. Okay, Snapchat is a multimedia messaging, and it is very popular among youth. As you are using it, I don't know whether you are aware about it or not. If you are not, you should use it. Okay, so Snapchat is a multimedia messaging app used globally, created by Evan Spengel, Bobby Murphy, Reggie Brown, and former students at Stafford University and developed by Snap Inc. in September 2011. Okay. One of the principal features of Snapchat is that pictures and messages are usually only available for short time before they become inaccessible to their recipients. Okay, so the basic distinction is that you will be getting it, but for the very short time. Okay, so it will be erased directly. So Snapchat has become a known for representing a new mobile first direction for social media and places significant emphasis on users interacting with the virtual stickers. So stickers are there, okay, where those who are not good at writing skill, no, they can just use it. Okay, if you are using stickers, then also your communication can be done. As we have said, no, that all the aspects can be taken into account when you are communicating. Okay, so non-verbal stickers, everything. Okay, so even these virtual platforms are also a part of communication. Okay, and so you can also say objects. So Snapchat is known to be a popular among the youngster generation. So okay, so I hope that all of you are aware about it and must be using it. See, you can see this is the screen of Snapchat. Okay, and now last we have YouTube. Okay, as you all are aware about it, you are getting all the videos through YouTube. Now during corona pandemic, it is the platform that has rescued us from all the lacunas, okay, that is there due to lockdown. The physical classes are not being conducted, so it has become a very integral part of our education system, and due to this platform we are getting so much information. And personally I would say that YouTube is a most authentic Google guru, okay, most authentic person, where you can take multiple lectures, you can access to multiple lectures of professionals. And this is the powerful multimedia, I would say, where you can get all the instant details. Okay, so YouTube is an American online video sharing platform headquartered in San Bruno, California. Three former PayPal employees, that is uh, Chad Hurley, Steve Chain, and Javed Karim, created the service in February 2015. Okay, 2005. Sorry, so 2005, and this is 2021. So it has become a very indispensable part of our life. We cannot get any information without using this platform. Okay, so you all are aware about it. So Google bought the site in November 2016 for US 1.65 billion, and YouTube now operates as one of the Google subsidiaries. Okay, so this is that, like, as you all know that now after recording myself, no, in this platform, OBS platform, I will be giving it to our respected Agrawal sir, and he will be adding this lecture to YouTube platform. Okay, and you will be accessing through YouTube platform, so you all are aware about this platform and the usage of this platform. Okay, then okay, so it was a last part of our social media. I hope you have understood it, and now officially we have covered all the social media platform that has been prescribed in your syllabus. So even though you are aware about it, even though you are using it, but I would recommend you to read it, because if you all are aware about it, no, so even if the this is very simple, but in examination you will be getting direct question. So whatever we have seen it, you should just revise it for the sake of getting higher marks in examination. Okay, if you are aware about, and those who are not aware about it, I would recommend you to just see it. Okay, just download it and see it, because these are the even if you are using it or not, but it has a bad and good consequences. Okay, as you are a law abiding citizen, you should know this platform, and if you are not aware about it this, and if you comment something bad about some bad religious topic, it will be very problematic for you. Okay. Okay, so PPT will be shared in your group. Okay, and tomorrow in the next session we will be taking like YouTube lecture as we were taking earlier, and in that we will be discussing what are the advantages and disadvantages of social media platform. Meanwhile, be safe and enjoy all the lecture. Okay, don't underestimate this power of communication. Okay, use it for your better life. Okay, then thank you.